Okay, so let's get right into it. If you are new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you're not new, thank you for supporting me. I really appreciate you. So this dance is actually more tiring than body weights for me. Like, yeah, this is a full body workout. But let's just jump right into it. I think I'm gonna start with either like 4 or 8 counts. The beginning is like pretty easy. It's just you laying back and then you come up. So the first like 4 counts is your back like this. And you come up when it's like broke boys, when it starts saying broke boys don't disturb, da da da. So you start coming up, broke boys don't disturb, no, I know that's right. And then that's when you want to start with, switch 1, 1. So that's when they're back. You're gonna be back like this, arms crossed. When it starts to say broke boys don't deserve, no, that's when you start coming up. So I know that's right. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's put out with music. That's when you want to come up. So let's do it. So you're gonna be back like this. I know that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. More in detail on the legs part because this might be the most difficult part for this one. So when you do it, you just want to like this basically. So your arms come in, your legs come in. Make sure you're making like facial expressions, move your head. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's put it all together. Lean back. Broke boys don't deserve, no, I know that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's that part. Quick and easy. The next part is even easier than that. So next you are going to be like in a squat position like this. And you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the first 4 counts. And then after you're going to go around, throw. So 1, 2, 3, 4, around, throw. And you can come back up. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, around, throw. Like make sure you look and all that. So let's put that part with music. Okay, so I decided to like just put that part with the beginning part that I just touched on because it'll be easier seeing it together so you can add it on. So I'm just gonna mark it and go through it. And once I get to the end, that's when we're gonna go fill out. Here we go. Alright, so after you throw it like this, you're gonna go around. I think it's 4 times. So 1, 2, 4. Yeah, it's 4. So throw over 1, 2, 3, 4. Step to the right, pop. Step to the left, pop. That's that whole 8 count. So let's do that together. So it's gonna be throw 1, 2, 3, 4. Go step up. 7, 8. Alright, so let's add all that along with music. Not fill out, just mark it. So yeah, that one part, them jumps to the side are fast. Like you're gonna be like 1, 2, 3, 4, jump and jump. It's really fast. So let's just go ahead and get into the next 8 count. Next 8 count is super easy. So it's step to the side, jump, step to the side, jump. And then she's like, are you something with an F? So you go like this, are you something? Or if you can go like this, you can go like this, whichever one. So are you something? Whichever one you want to do. And after you do that, that's when it's going to get into this part. So put all those parts together real quick. marking. You don't gotta go so long. Get the train. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. Okay, let's get to the next part. Next 8 count. So the next 8 count. This is my favorite part of the whole dance. Honestly, because it makes me feel like majorette type vibes. So it's literally so easy. Like after you get to the beginning, the rest is not easy. So you're gonna go 1, 2. So 1, 2, drop. That's that part. So 1, 2, drop. Then you're gonna go to the side. 1, 2, hit. So let's do that together. So 1, 2, drop. 1, 2, hit. I like to bring my knee up with it because it makes it look better. So let's do it again. 1, 2, drop. 1, 2, hit. So that's that next couple of counts. Let's add it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can run that back. Run it back. Let's run it back real quick. And also back pretty fast. Let's get it going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, oh yeah, let me say that part too. So actually, when you do this part, you want to have your arms still up when you come up and back down. So it's gonna be wait, so drop, keep them like that. So you can already be ready to get into that other slice part. And make sure you lean to the side. Try my breath. To the side and the next part. So this one is straight up and down, top. And then this one is, yes. All right, let's add the next 8 counts so we can keep going through it. So this part is pretty easy too. So we just ended from the second. You're gonna step down. You go like this. You go to your right or left, it doesn't matter. Whichever way you feel more comfortable with. I'm going to my left. I don't know why, I just wanna go. So left, and then you're gonna turn around and jump with both feet. So we just did pop, jump. That's the next couple of counts. So over, pop, turn, jump. So let's add that in. Drop. That's that add-on. It's like a couple counts left now. You do your turn and jump, twerk, twerk, twerk. You're gonna do the steps to the side parts again. So 1, 2. So let's add that. So jump, twerk, twerk. 2, 1, 2. I'm gonna keep going because that part's pretty simple. So once you get to this side right here, you're gonna turn around, and it's like she's like saying something like, "Oh yeah, if it's up, then it's stuck." So you do this one, turn. If it's up, and when she says stuck, you're gonna stuck like that. So if it's up, then it's stuck. After that, it's gonna go around, around, twerk, 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 twerk. And it's done. So let's just go back through all the counts again, and then we're gonna go full out. Go through it count for count, part for part, sound for sound. So the beginning, you're back like this. You come, she's like, broke boys don't deserve no. Come up all the way by the part she's like, I know that's right. Then remember, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it's this part. 1, 2, 3, around, throat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then these are the 2-step parts. So 1, 2. You come back together and you do the. So you go up, hit. She's like, RUB, some F, something. So up, hit. And that's when my favorite part comes in. Here we go. Drop, hit. Now we're gonna go to this part. Pop, baby. Jump. Twerk, twerk, twerk. To the side, to the side. You're gonna go hit. If it's up, then it's stuck. That's basically how it is. If it's up, then it's stuck. Mix it, mix it. Now twerk, twerk, throw it. And that's it. So let's go full out, baby. Let's do it. Period. This. If you have to rewind, just rewind. Simple. I had to learn this like back. Hold on, wait, what was that? Okay. So yeah, if you guys should just do that. But let's get this one full out done because why not? Okay, so that's pretty much the end of it. I know, like, once you start from the beginning, you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, this jank is so hard. I'm so tired, trying to go full out. But I promise you, you'll get there. It's gonna take a little bit of time. But after a while, you're gonna be like, oh shoot, it ain't that bad. It's really not that bad. I'm gonna get it sooner or later, but I'm gonna get it. If you need to rewind, go ahead and do that. Do it a couple times. Make sure you get it. And let's get it done. Go full out, baby. Post your video. Tag me in your videos. I'll put my Instagram in the description box below. And be looking out for my new video coming soon. I think I'm gonna do a wig review, and I have my birthday vlog and get ready with me coming up. My birthday is Valentine's Day, so be prepared for that. But thank you for supporting me and watching this video. I really appreciate all of you, and until next time, bye.